Here's the new build. 2011 Suzuki Hayabusa. Guy I bought it from said he wrecked it doing about 120. Not really sure how much I believe of his story, but he says he was going over a hill, front tire came up and touched the brakes, and he said he lost control, hit the ground. So doesn't look too bad. I haven't gotten too deep into it, but the engine covers are just a little scratched up. Rear set's got it. The exhaust got it bad. It's gonna need replaced completely. I don't think that's repairable. I mean, it might be, but I'm not gonna repair that. So it's gonna need all new plastics. Obviously, plastics are completely toast. The tank, I don't know how, but did not get any damage. It's gonna need new bar ends, mirrors. Thankfully, the headlight and blinkers are good. But it does look like I'm gonna need a new rear light, because sadly that got cracked. So we're replacing this one with this one. I think I got a buyer coming to pick this one up. We're gonna go ahead and just gonna get rid of this bike. Not gonna really work on it anymore. It's kind of, I think, too much work than it's worth. It's just got, I think, motor issues, so it's not really worth it. I'm not really about rebuilding motors. I think there's plenty of guys out there that want to do that, so they can have at that. This one actually runs really good, strong. This is a Gen 2, that's a Gen 1, so this bike's got a lot nicer stuff on it. So stay tuned, because this is going to be the next build. I think right after we finish the Gixxer up here, I'm going to jump right on to working on this bike. I think real quick here, after I get done recording, I'm going to go ahead and try to drill these bolts sheared right here. I'm going to try to drill these bolts out, the subframe, pick back up where it's supposed to be. See if maybe I can get test ride it around the block a little bit, see if it goes through the gears okay. I know it runs, but I haven't gone through any gears yet, so I'm gonna tinker on that, get it going. But we're still working on the Gixxer, so we're not gonna work on this too much. I'm gonna get it just kind of tucked away, pull him out, get him out of here, put that one up. This is gonna be the next project. So the paint's actually got like blue flakes in it. It's actually kind of cool. So definitely gonna do something with that. Love the black. All my bikes are always black, so I had to have this one when I found it. Just after looking over the bike a little bit, kind of see right off the bat we're gonna need foot pegs all around. This one's ground down, the other one isn't that bad, it's just worn out. It just doesn't look the best. I'm gonna go ahead and just get two of them. Passengers look okay. Subframe, I already went and kind of messed with it a little bit, but definitely gonna have to get new bolts for the subframe here. Drill the other one out. Gonna have to get some new levers, mirrors. Taillight's cracked, it's gonna need replaced. It's gonna need a new exhaust all around. toast. Might as well just get a whole new set of slip-ons. It's gonna need all new plastics, obviously. Tank is fine. And then I might be able to just paint the engine covers. They don't look like actually too bad. And it's gonna need a new rear tire as well. Haven't gotten super deep into it, so I'm not sure if it needs like chain sprockets, any of that stuff, but cosmetic wise, that's about it. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to get some new bar ends as well. That one got into it a little bit, but not a lot, but not a little bit either. Stay tuned.